Hey guys, today I'm going to share an easy recipe for chicken biryani. Start by marinating your chicken with your ginger and garlic, curry leaf, chopped coriander, ground cumin, chili powder, tumeric, grated tomato, and sour milk or yogurt. Mix it well and allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes. So you would usually use whole pieces of chicken for this, but the cube chicken fillet works best for my kids. So while it marinates, cook your rice. In a pot of water, add in your washed rice along with your washed lentils. And if you're using the optional eggs, make sure to wash them and add them in. Add in some salt and allow this to boil till the rice is half cooked. Strain the rice, remove the eggs and peel them, then set the rice aside till needed. In a pot on high heat, add in your butter and oil and allow your butter to melt. Then add in your quartered potatoes. Mix occasionally and allow the potatoes to fry till golden brown. Then remove it from the oil and set it aside. Then add in half of your onion and allow that to fry till golden brown. Remove it from the oil and drain on some paper towel. Then add in your eggs and be really careful because this splatters quite a lot. Seal them and remove them from the oil. Then add in your cinnamon stick and bay leaf and the remainder of your onion. Allow the onions to fry till golden brown. Then add in your marinated chicken along with all the marinade. Add in some salt and mix it well and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Remove the chicken from the stove and it's time to layer the pot. So in a pot, add in about a quarter cup of rice and spread it out evenly. Then gently add in your chicken mixture. Spread out the chicken evenly if you're using cubed chicken. Then add on the potatoes. And the eggs. Then add on top of that all of your rice. The reason I have some extra is because I cooked extra. Sprinkle on your food coloring. And on top of that you can add on your fried onions. Cube your remaining butter and spread it on top of the rice. Then add in your water and allow this to steam on low for about 40 minutes. Try not to open the pot. While that cooks, you can make your day. Into a blender jug, add in your sour milk along with your chili, coriander, mint, onion, cumin, and salt. Blend it till smooth. Then pour it into a jug and store in the fridge till needed. When the biryani is done cooking, you'll know it's done if all the water has evaporated, and you can check that by checking on the side of the pot. Dish the rice and the masala out separately and serve it that way, or mix all together like I do. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!